Okay, part 2, how to connect the Jeti Spin Pro to your Jeti box. The only connection required to do the programming of the Spin Pro is the red lead from the Spin Pro. No other leads need be connected, such as the black plug. Do not connect this plug to anything. The switch is in the on position now, and we're showing that the Jeti is connected to the Spin Pro 44. If I turn this switch off, Jeti box goes dead. Okay, once again, the Spin Pro, this can be the 44 or the larger size. It's hooked up to the battery. There is no connection required from this black signal wire, and all that is required is the wire from the Spin Pro to the Jeti box. Red plug on the bottom. This is the top side. Brown, red, orange. Okay. I'll turn it on. And there it is. Instantly recognizes the Spin Pro 44. And we can start cycling and changing the menu. This is just showing the particulars of the Spin Pro. And we can get to the next menu item by going down. Manual settings. Brake, dead time, in brake, brake speed, operation mode, constant RPM, this is where you can put the number of poles. If you happen to have a 14-pole motor, you can use the right button to cycle up, or if you have a 10-pole motor, use the left button to cycle down. This particular motor I'm using is a 12. Next parameter, this indicates we've got one-to-one gearing, max rotor RPM. All of these settings came from a page on the Fiorotti website. And let me see if I can put my hands on it. Oh, it looks like this. These are the settings for the Fiorotti timer. Temperature, brake, dead time, initial rate, brake speed, so on and so forth, gear, sensitivity, auto rotation timing, whatever, okay? So just go through all of the settings here. Put everything the way you initially want it set up for your airplane. And when you're done, just turn the switch off. And now your ESC is programmed.